Welcome to Furnished Apartments Dallas self-guided tour of Unit 408. As we proceed into the unit, you will see a long hallway leading you to the first bedroom, along with the washer and dryer combo, so you can wash all of your clothes. If you proceed to the right, you will see the bedroom with a king-size bed, along with a dresser and a TV combo. On the side, you will see this nightstand with a lamp and a tissue packet. Above, you can see the ceiling fan along with a light. In the corner of the room, you will see a closet holding your vacuum and broom for all cleaning needs. As you move to the right, you will see a bathroom that has all needed amenities so that you can get through a day, end a day, or start a day. Also includes a hairdryer, a cabinet with all needed towels, for the tub and shower combo to its left, along with the toilet with all cleaning needs, a plunger, a toilet brush, 2 pieces of toilet paper, and a seal of protection from our own company, so that you know the toilet is clean. As you walk into the closet, you will see a iron, couple hangers, and an ironing board. As you walk out of the bathroom and walk into the other hallway, you will see a nice kitchen and living room combo with a side table and lamp, curtains and blinds, one love seat, along with a sofa that turns into a pull-out couch, a big TV with a TV stand and a table stand for all your remotes. There's a center table so that you can eat and also prepare your dishes, right next to a kitchen with all needed amenities so that you can cook and clean food properly. There is also a fridge and a freezer combo with a water input right onto the fridge so that you can get fresh water. Here's a brief run through of everything that is in the kitchen. In all of the cabinets, we have all needed pots and pans, along with anything you could need to cook a meal, including Tupperware, glasses, and silverware sets. The unit also comes equipped with a outer porch, with a chair and a seat, with a poolside view.